Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the very first video of 2025. I know that I have been MIA over here for way too long and I miss creating long form content, okay? At my core, I am somebody who likes to yap a lot and create long form videos like this quite a bit. But I feel like over the years, everyone has started to show so much of an interest in short form content that we're all caught up in this rat race to create 8-second reels. For this video, you've already read the title. I'm going to be telling you 29 facts about me that you probably didn't already know because next week, I turn 29. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna chit chat with y'all while I do my makeup. So first things first, I've got to clip my hair out of my face. Alright, so fact number one, I'm gonna start off with the simplest one, which is I was born on the 11th of January 1996, which means I'm at a crossroad between Gen Z and millennials, but I 100% relate more with millennials than Gen Z. When I was 8 years old, I accidentally stepped on glass that was in the grass that I was running in, and I got 3 stitches between my little toe and the second last toe. Growing up, I actually held several leadership positions. I was head prefect of my primary school and also cultural captain of my secondary school. Indian cuisine is my favorite in the entire world and I honestly love it so much that I can't think of what cuisine comes second. My birthday is actually the most important day of the year for me and I start getting excited about it about 3 months prior to the date. So the weirdest pet that I have ever had was a pet caterpillar, which I had when I was 9 years old. And the reason that I even had that pet was because in my school, they were selling caterpillars as a way for us to actually experience what metamorphosis was like. That caterpillar bloomed into a beautiful butterfly and I distinctly remember releasing the butterfly into the garden right below our house. In terms of my horoscope, I am a Capricorn and I do relate to quite a few traits. However, my moon sign or patrika के हिसाब से जो कुंडली होती है, that is a Leo. So I am a Siha Rashi and I think I do have certain traits of that horoscope as well. I have been an entrepreneur for the last 5 years, but this year I am actually itching to try out something new to help fuel my professional growth. We're going to see where that goes. I'm actually a very short person. I'm only about 153 centimeters tall and I have struggled with body dysmorphia quite a bit while I was growing up. I don't think I could ever put into words how much I love cats and how petting them makes me so happy I could literally cry. I am a computer engineer and an MBA in e-business by qualification. I was part of the Indian dance team back in my primary school and actually learned Bharatanatyam for 7 years and also took part in 4 national level competitions. Back when I was studying in Australia, I became a coffee girl through and through. However, matcha has been growing on me quite a bit lately. I twisted my ankle really badly in my life once and that was when I was wearing proper ankle high basketball shoes. And that never happened when I was wearing low ankle running shoes. My celebrity crush is Hrithik Roshan and I have made it my life's mission to meet him at some point of time before I die. The gym has saved me from several low points in my life and it's the only thing that's been a constant for the last 9 years. I love burgers over pizza. At one point in my life, I wanted to own an activewear brand and I even ordered samples for it, but then eventually didn't go through with it. In my life, I have traveled to a total of 13 countries, but hopefully I'm going to get to expand that in the next 5 years. I am somebody who deeply values relationships and friendships and I will go out of my way to maintain those relationships. I used to be a huge people pleaser and would even neglect myself in the process, but now I'm getting better at standing up for myself. If I see something sparkly, I feel this irresistible urge to own it, whether that is shoes, makeup, clothes, accessories, you name it, and I need to have it. I speak fluent Singlish. If you know, you know. Playing some kind of sport is super important to me and in my life, at different phases, I've played netball, table tennis, badminton and basketball. However, I dislike running a lot. I am not typically somebody who has much of a sweet tooth, but whenever I do have a craving, it's almost always chocolate related. Chocolate cake is something that I love the most. The same year that I got stitches in my foot, I also fractured and dislocated my left wrist after falling off a monkey bar. My love language is giving and receiving gifts, closely followed by quality time and also acts of service. And with that, we are done with 29 facts about me that you probably did not know. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I really hope you liked it. If you are as excited about the content coming up in 2025 as I am, then please don't forget to hit the follow button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!